Hi everybody, the previous video, this is the same Ford truck, the 1991 F-150. It has the idle surging around hunting problems. It wants to stall and sometimes it does stall. Well, the fuel pressure checked out okay as you see in the previous video. This video is a tap test where you can take the back of a flathead screwdriver or Phillips head, whatever, just take the back of the screwdriver and tap on the relay. And if you tap on that housing of the relay just lightly, and the engine shuts off, you know the relay's failing inside. So I'll show you what I found out. It has a fuel pump relay and a main relay. Let's see if that's pretty good there. Okay, you should be able to see it from there. So this one here is for the fuel pump. And we're tapping, everything's okay. This one here is called a main relay. See how the engine shut off when I tapped on that? So they have all kinds of relay testers and all kinds of equipment you can buy to test relays. That's a good way, especially on these older Fords. You just wiggle, you can wiggle them, and then you can just do lightly, just don't have to tap very hard. You kind of tap on it and it hunts around, the idle changes, the engine stumbles. It does all kinds of weird stuff, but then eventually you just do a tap just right, the engine will shut off, and that's one of the concerns he had, besides the power loss and everything else and the high idle, is that it would shut off once in a while. So we just diagnosed that problem, so now we've got that all fixed up. We got the loss of power problem, we're going to get lots better fuel economy, and now it's not going to stall. So thank you very much, and that's how you do the test. Have a great day.